Hi, my name is Valerie Fox. We are at Neal Signature Homes at Tideline. We're in our award-winning Ravenna floor plan. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 3,004 square feet. Come take a look, it's beautiful. So as you walk into the home, you'll notice the 13-foot ceilings, the beautiful open space to entertain at, and our gorgeous through view. The Ravenna is a lifestyle home. We have a conversation about how you live, what you do. Do you entertain family, friends? Do you have a lot of company? We'll bring your vision to life. In this particular model, our Ravenna here at Tideline, we offer a lot of possibilities. You spend time with our designers, and they walk you through and help you choose your options. In this particular model, we offer upper stack cabinets. We've brought in a custom monogram range with a hood. We've added the pot filler and monogram column refrigerators, just to start off with a little bit of the jewelry. Let's talk about the pantry. It's a large walk-in pantry. You'll meet with our designers and have the ability to design the pantry to your lifestyle. Make it a scullery, perhaps. The dining room sits adjacent to the great room and the kitchen, making entertaining and family time special. This is our lifestyle room. It's a blank canvas. Do you need a gym, a den, another bedroom, or perhaps a party room off of the pool? We can make it happen. Welcome to your office. Barn doors, built-ins. There's many personalizations you can do with Neal Signature Homes. This is why we live in Florida, this beautiful outdoor space. It's kind of synonymous with up north, you have a basement. This is a Florida basement. This is where you live. This beautiful pool, done by Waterscapes Pools. You dream it, they design it. They are awesome. They also do our outdoor kitchen. So let's talk about this outdoor kitchen space. This particular outdoor kitchen really lends itself to entertaining outside. Looking out over your lanai, clear view screens so your views are unobstructed. After a busy day, escape to your luxury retreat where you can rest and rejuvenate. So speaking of rejuvenating, this amazing bathroom. Separate vanities, because who wants to share a vanity with somebody else? Then we have the shower. We can pretty much design it how you want to rejuvenate. And if that's not enough, look at this amazing soaking tub. On this Ravenna, it's a split floor plan. So the guest bedrooms are on the other side of the house. 2 bedrooms and a bath. So your guests will feel comfortable on the other side of the home. Next to the powder bath is a utility room with lots of attention to detail. There's plenty of cabinets, countertop, and a sink to complete the home. Thank you for visiting me at Tideline by Neal Signature Homes in Northwest Bradenton. I appreciate your time and going on this tour with me. Come out and visit me soon.